Creamy, tart, and nutritious yogurt is a kitchen staple. Did you know that you can make your own at home? With just a few items, you can turn milk into this dynamic treat. I'm Ryan Scott with Cooking with Scuttle. Pour 4 cups of milk into a pot, preferably whole milk, but 2% works as well. Heat to 190 to 200 degrees and stir to avoid scorching. Use a digital or candy thermometer to monitor the temps. Heating changes the protein structure of the milk so it doesn't curdle. Cool to about 115 degrees. Use an ice bath if you prefer. Whisk a 1/4 cup of plain unsweetened yogurt with active cultures with about a cup of warm milk. Mix the warm milk and tempered yogurt and pour into a heavy pot or crock with a lid. If you're using a Dutch oven, use it in the previous steps as well when you're heating the milk. Place your crock in the oven with a jug of 120 degree water. Make sure the oven is off, but the oven light is on. And leave the door closed for a full 4 hours minimally. In the winter, it might take an additional jug to keep it warm inside. If possible, leave an oven thermometer or other thermometer with a low enough display in plain sight so you can check the temp without opening the door. If the temp drops below 105 before 4 hours has passed, replace the hot water jug. But do not disturb the incubating yogurt. You've got to let the bacteria do the work for you. After 4 to 6 hours, remove and cool the yogurt when it has set to your preferred thickness. Drain or whisk any separated whey protein. It might take practice to figure out how you like it best. Store in the fridge in airtight containers. Eat by itself, sweeten, or use in various recipes. This goes perfectly with our homemade granola. Check that out as well. You can use this yogurt to start the next batch, just make sure you save a little at the end. Thank you for joining me. Tune in next time and I'll teach you how to make something else. If you like food, please hit the subscribe button. Also like and comment.
Food porn.